Hi, this is Thomas from the Rio Grande Jewelry Tech Team, and I'd like to show you how to properly e-coat your jewelry. There are several reasons to consider e-coating for your jewelry. It allows you to add bright pops of color without changing the weight, feel, or makeup of the piece. E-coating helps to protect your pieces against tarnish and day-to-day wear. It also creates a hypoallergenic barrier on your jewelry. Clear e-coatings maintain the look, feel, and sound of the metal jewelry you make. Suitable for any conductive metal, e-coating is ideal for adding color and texture to all kinds of jewelry items. And it's important to know that the metal you use will significantly affect the color of the final piece. You can also achieve a wide variety of color saturation by varying the time and voltage of your application steps. Using clear e-coating is as easy as plating. Be sure to wear proper personal safety equipment and have adequate ventilation. First, make a wire fixture to hold your piece. Your fixture can be any gauge or metal type. When choosing your fixture spot, remember that the fixture point will be uncoated. You may need to experiment to find the right fixture for your piece. Set the electro cleaner voltage between 4 and 6 volts. Dip the piece in, holding it for 45 to 50 seconds. Rinse in distilled water and agitate to dislodge any air bubbles. Dip the piece into an acid bath and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Rinse again in distilled water. Hold your jewelry over a beaker and pour distilled water over it. Now we need to dry the piece. You can hang it on the bar included with the Midas e-coating system, or to speed up the process, place it in a curing oven at 80 degrees Celsius, 176 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. After the piece is cooled, set the rectifier between 30 and 60 volts, and also set a timer for 45 seconds. Don't turn on the power yet, but dip the piece into the clear e-coating and lift and resubmerge it. This allows the solution to fill the crevices. Turn on the rectifier and start the timer. After 45 seconds, turn off the rectifier. Lift the piece out of the solution and dip it into distilled water. Rinse again in a separate beaker of distilled water. Then dip the piece into the rinse aid surfactant. This helps prevent bubbles from forming on the surface. Lift the piece and let the surfactant drip off. Dab lightly if needed with a clean paper towel to remove additional liquid. Hang the piece on the bar to dry until the coating is shiny and uniform. Place the piece in a curing oven to permanently set the coating. Cure transparent coatings at 266 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Cure opaque coatings at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Clear e-coating is an easy way to produce jewelry with brilliant colors, added protection, and hypoallergenic qualities. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the e-coating process, please contact us.